Hello you guys, I hope you're having such a good day. It is decorating day, so I'm so happy. I've been dying to get in this closet and start like pulling everything out. You guys know we had like a little sneak peek, so I'm excited to actually pull them out. Not gonna lie though, I'm really having a hard time resisting all the Christmas vibes. I did buy one Christmas thing, and it's not necessarily just for Christmas. I bought a blanket, and it's just that beautiful deep red. Fun fact, that is my favorite color red, like a dark, rich red. It's my favorite. I am not a pink girl. I love pink. I like all the colors. Black and red are my colors. I love them. Not together. It's not my favorite together, but I love a deep, beautiful red. I've even thought about getting a red car. Like, that's not the norm, but I kind of love it. So I bought the blanket because Target's having all their deals, and it was like $10. I will be able to pick it up, but I don't know if I'll be picking it up in this video. It's just a basic blanket. It's on sale for $10. I'll link it. I love it. I'm so excited for it. And two, I'm only a couple days ahead of filming right now. So if you guys have any requests or anything, let me know in those comments down below. But today, it's decorating day. I'm really happy. Here's the thing though, I don't have a ton. I totally believe on building on things every year. And to be honest, this year I didn't really find a ton of stuff that I liked. You guys saw our last video. It was depleted. I honestly considered not even posting it because there was so little. I wanted to be authentic and just bring it anyways. Also too, I swear I just saw a shadow, and I'm waiting for some Amazon stuff. So if you just happen to see a boogeyman out there, that's probably Amazon. But let's go ahead and get started. I want to kind of, like I said, condense everything to in here. I might do a couple things in the kitchen, but I would rather have like the mantle 10 out of 10. Like this like sofa table that I have here, 10 out of 10, and have like impactful areas than just having it sprinkled around the house, if that kind of makes sense. I also really don't believe in buying things just to have the things. I've done that in years past, and I just don't think it's worth it. And so this year and moving forward, that's kind of like my little thing that I could give to you guys. Don't buy things that you don't absolutely love. All the things that I feel I have right now, I absolutely love. And it's gonna be interesting to kind of be bringing things that I've had from the last couple houses now to this house, because this house is very different from my previous houses, if that makes sense. I'll be doing a lot of that. I'm excited to just bring it out, kind of assess, but let's go ahead and start by pulling everything out, seeing what we like, what we don't like. Also too, I wanna kind of like do the separating, and I like a color story. So I've done that in previous videos where it's like, I will like, you know, a theme or a color story where it's a couple pictures. Oh, I just remembered I don't have my Oura ring. Tell me I have ADHD. That's a clear sign right there. I like to have like the separation, and to where it's like, the different colors are together. This color story, 2 to 3 colors are together. Like that kind of thing I like together. So I'll be kind of separating all that. We'll be doing the initial set out and everything today, but it's gonna be so fun. The next couple videos, I'm anticipating it to be just like full of decorating and fun, DIYing. And also too, we need to get outside, do some things for outside, so I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and start jumping in for the day. Let's get into the closet and see all of the goodies. Let's see everything we have. I did have a package. Also too, this is like one of my favorite ones. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly, but it's just like jazzy background music and everything. But I love when there's so much movement on the screen. So like the fire, and it's like raining in the window and stuff like that. And the candle, can you guys see? I know there's a glare from my light, but see how like the candle's flickering? I'll see if I can't link this one down below, but this is like one of my favorite ones. And see how the lights, especially at night, it's really good. I did start by, when I like was getting things out the other day, I did start by like setting things on here to kind of get an initial. I've been looking for a garland. I don't know why it's so hard, but I think I might just be poking these things in. Also too, there's no outlet. So when we hung the TV and stuff like that, I got these. I don't think I've ever noticed it unless I like point it out like this, but I do have a cord here. And then this is one of the things from Amazon that I did order. I got different curtain rods. I just bought these. They were okay, but I really don't like the bronze with the gold. I'd rather just have the gold. And two, I think I need to bring in some new things, because like this is very new compared to like this is really old. So I need to kind of like bring those together. But then I have new curtain ones. I have some things because I'm always worried about adjusting curtains when we've already done them. So I found things for you I will share. And then these are old curtains that I've had, but honestly the sun comes in and it's so hot. I mean, we're still in the 90s, you guys. It is still really warm. So I've just been putting these up. They look horrible, but they were temporary. But these are the ones that I bought. They're wrinkle free, which I love, but I like it with like the contrast and the texture and stuff like that. They'll warm it up. They were super inexpensive. They came like a 2-pack, I think for like 35 bucks. They really weren't that much, but we're gonna try them. We're gonna hang them up and we're gonna see how I like them. Also too, I forgot I needed rings. Those will be coming today. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I need to switch into my big camera here. But look at, we have so much goodies. And you guys know we've already started working in here before. I have made it a little messy again. I need to put my ornaments in that back. We need to get the spooky wreath out, which I might put inside. Maybe we should do that. And then essentially all of these bins and then a couple more in the back are all Halloween. And then all of that and then back on this whole side of the stairs, because it's underneath here, is all Christmas. But we're not touching that. We're gonna get the sign out. We're gonna get going. It's gonna be a good day. Oh, I have a DIY for these. Harley's dog dish. What's up, Jack? I forgot I even had these. Like the little, like salt and pepper shakers. These are fun. Oh my gosh, I forgot I had these. Dollar store from when it was $1. The bats. I feel like we should do the bats up by there. Wouldn't that be like so cute? Like even if we did it like all the way across the wall, like wouldn't that be so cute? Okay, these and then the little pumpkins. Oh, I found these last year too to put in Blakely's hair to do like braids and then like put the little spider rings. Sally, I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know why I still have you. I have nothing that matches with her. This guy is really cute, just like a little canister. I think I'm gonna use these more in the bathroom too. This I have too. I don't think I used it. It's a bunch of Hocus Pocus. It's cute, but I don't know. This shouldn't even be in here. I don't like to get rid of stuff, but I think we might have to. Ooh, my mugs. I've been needing some mugs. My straw toppers. Look at Harley stuff. Oh, I forgot about this guy. Look how cool this is. It's a witch hat, but it lights up. I don't think that's gonna be a real fireplace this year. This one, I think, was like the coolest one last year. That was a really, really cool one. Ooh, this was my favorite mug. Oh, I love this mug. Well, I didn't do a good job because I think in the move, everything got chipped. I'm gonna see if I can fix that. See? It got chipped. I need to do a better job packaging these. I feel like everybody that's a Disney fan has this one, but it's so cute. One of my favorites. So cute. I'm setting them on here and then I'm gonna have to like sort it out. Oogie Boogie. I got this in like June of last year. These are my favorite stacking mugs. I love all the colors. I think I got this at TJ Maxx. And then see the back? I think it's redone. Yeah. It's really cute. I don't mind redone. Another one bites the dust. Okay, we got 2 more mugs. This is Easter. Harley, your costume. Your cozy onesie, bro. Oh, I loved this. I think this is gonna go in a bathroom. It's so cute. Ooh, another candle. I do have a lot of these. I bought so many because they smelled so good. This is a brand new one. My other one is open. See, I have 2. And that one I burned. This one it's literally brand new, but it's spiced pumpkin. It's a little spice, but it's so good. Literally so flipping good. I don't save candles normally, but I saved that one. House. Did we do like a little village last year? What's up, Mickey? Ooh, I love this guy. I love this. This is so simple, but you put a candle in the center here. This was Big Lots. Big Lots was good last year. And then Mickey. Harley, your Halloween costume. Other candle. I'm gonna put my makeup brushes in this. I said I was gonna do this last year, and I didn't. I'm gonna put my makeup brushes in this. Listen, I think we need to make the bathroom a little spooky. I think that's doable. There's salt and pepper shakers, but see, I have so much tier tray stuff. I need to set that up. Our popcorn bowl, and our candy bowls. I also got him like last summer. No, I think it was like last spring. I think it was last spring, and I saw him, and this and Oogie Boogie. I mean, he has toppers in him. But like, look, I literally think I bought this in like June, May, April, something. It was extremely early, but they're so cozy. And this is like so cool. Totally not drinkable though. Like, he's heavy and he's not very big inside, but he's way cool. Skelly, our pillows for the couch. We don't have a lot, but we do have some. Okay, this is what we got so far. I think I can organize this because it's really chaotic right now and we need to have everything kind of come together. I am noticing I have so much tier tray stuff, so we're not buying stuff for tier trays for a minute. I think what I need to do though is I really need to sort everything out. I know I said that earlier, but I think I need to sort everything out because here's the thing. Can I acknowledge the fact that bringing out stuff like this, like totes and totes of stuff, makes me a little anxious. It gives me a little bit of stress because I'm like, look at the mess I just made. Like, I don't like that. I hate having a mess. I mean, a mess naturally happens, but like, I struggle with it a little bit. So I need to sort everything out. And I know I'll probably, just with the amount that I have, I'll be able to finish it all today. But I think I need to break it down. I've already cleaned up. You guys saw my last video. Everything is cleaned, so we don't need to stress. We will take care of all this today. It's not a big deal. I just don't want like everyone to come home and I have like piles and piles of stuff. I don't do well with that. So I need to go ahead, sort everything out. I'm also waiting for Amazon because I really want to put up these curtains and swap them out because they'll just make me feel better because they stress me out because they're so flippin' ugly. Anyways, we can do this. We can do this. It can happen. But I think I honestly just need to put it in here because I feel like it's in one area and it's dark and gloomy over there. I can bring it out here and sort and make piles and have a fun time doing it. So I feel so much better already. This is what I got so far. I did all of my signs and stuff like that because I'm not big into the signs, but there are a couple that I really like, and then there are some that the kids like. I think I want to do like an orangey, hocus pocusy theme for the kids. Okay, so this is like, I know like all the little kids things that they do in their room and that. This is like kitchen stuff. These I think are just left over from last year. This is what I'm thinking for this area. It's gonna be like a really Disney-esque area. I wanna do cobwebs. I think the cauldron is gonna come over here and I have a diffuser. It's a really small diffuser, so it's not gonna be a ton, but I'm gonna put lights in there, some cobwebs. We're gonna do it up. So that's what I'm kind of thinking for this. Very Disney Halloween-esque, okay? I don't think the tray is gonna stay up here. We're gonna rearrange this a little bit. And then my bins, I'm going to be putting anything I'm not using house-wise is gonna go in here. Any fall things that I might be taking down or not using, because essentially a lot of my, if it's like strictly fall, it's either gonna go into like my bedroom, a different room, something, or it's gonna get put back in the bin. I'm thinking I'm just gonna relocate it to a different room so I have like more touches in here or in the office, like something like that. And then any plastic bags, I've really noticed if I would have just not had things rubbing on each other, they would have been good. I have a million like Target bags, Walmart bags, grocery bags. I'm gonna put them in here so then I can at least wrap them with that so they're not rubbing. And then tissues, things like that, I'm gonna start saving and putting, because a lot of these things got chipped. Like this, I don't even know if I can save. Like I just got it, but look at like how bad that chip is. Like, can I fix that? Like, I don't think so. I think I still have the chip, but it really, I think she's a dunzo. But yeah, like some of this stuff I'm gonna move. I'm not gonna store all this, but I need to find a different home for this. I'm really struggling to find a home because I really wanted it above the cabinets, but we're not doing that for a hot minute. So have that, kids stuff. And then over here, I showed you guys this earlier. It's like the pillows and stuff for the couch. Some of these fall things, like the more Western Aztec-y print is definitely gonna go into the bins. And then I have my bowls and that over here. I think a lot of that's gonna go for like our popcorn bowl and that for our snacks. But like this, a vase. I know I can be working with that a little bit more. And then this, I love. This is, I think, gonna go in the kitchen because I always have these little candles. I have these candles from, you know, wherever. I think this one is Trader Joe's. And it can just sit in here. The only thing is, like, mine's a little crooked. I'm half tempted to, like, try and pry it off or to put, like, some hot glue or something. But see how it, like, is so far over? See that? It don't work too well. And then all my mugs and that are over here. A little Harleman. And then this stuff. So this, I know, is kind of, the lighting is a little off. But this is, like, decorative glass things. I have more like decorative things like the cobwebs, you know, fairy lights, things like that are in here. Canisters, candles, things that I don't want to be broken are kind of sitting over here. These little guys, these I love just like setting places. They're just fun. And then, like I said, that's all. This is like picks and sticks, the bats, that kind of stuff is just all kind of, I'm storing in that bin for right now until I use it. This, I think I'm going to leave here because I think it looks cute. I like a trio, like a large, medium, and small type thing. And then this is all like salt and pepper shakers. There's one, though. Where are you? Look at this. I loved this guy. See that chip? I'm so sad. I have to do better. I think it's because we moved. But then also, too, I'm kind of looking at like a Haunted Mansion. Doesn't this kind of remind you of like a blinged out version of like the Hatbox Ghost? Doesn't that kind of remind you of that? And then, like, this is like a little haunted house. Madame Leota, tiered trays. I gotta find a spot for her. That witch hat is really cool. This is the cauldron that I think I'm gonna put on that back table. And then this. I got, like, the netting and the cobwebs and purple lights, and that are all gonna go up here. I think because I have a good idea of what I wanna do, I might do this first, but we'll see. Stay tuned. I mean, it's not like the quickest project, but I think we have a good start. I'll keep you guys posted, but I think I'm going to kind of leave it here for today. I have some of my like winter or my outside stuff and that. I don't have a lot of outside stuff, but we'll just go with that for this year. Just having like a little touch of it, and that we need to redo that on another day because that porch needs some love. I changed out the lights. I want to show you guys all the things, and yes, we have a mess. But yeah, I feel so much better because I feel I can knock out these in sections. Even if I don't get to this today, I feel like I'm okay. Like this doesn't drive me as crazy. I don't feel anything's gonna get broken. We still have to do a spray paint situation on these because you guys know I thrifted them. And then I wanna get, I wanna spray paint them like black and then maybe add like some purple on them or something. I'm not too sure. They just, I think are gonna be really cool. But yes, I think we're gonna leave it for that for now before we get started. But I feel so much better about everything. I'm just really excited for Amazon to come because I really wanna change out the curtains. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We will do more decorating tomorrow. I'm hoping over the next couple days we will have everything done, and we are still going strong with a video a day. I don't know how I'm doing this right now because it's a lot of work, but I am loving it so much because it's so fun. It's so fun. So I hope you guys are enjoying them too. If you guys are enjoying them, do me a favor and put a pumpkin emoji down in that comment box. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit that subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.